over Prajwal Revanna's sexual assault case is escalating, there is another flashpoint in Karnataka. In a vile attack on Hindu sentiments and Hindu gods, commenting on Prajwal Revanna's case, Congress minister from Karnataka, Mr. Ramappa Valappa Thimor, has said that, and I quote, "Women used to be with Sri Krishna Paramatma with devotion, but not this way." Probably Prajwal Revanna wanted to break his record. Listen in to this comment.
ಇದರಂತಹ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕರೆ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂದಿದೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮುರಿಬೇಕತ್ತಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್.
All right, we have a big breaking news coming in. This is the BJP's reaction to the same. So BJP has hit out at the Congress for invoking Lord Krishna. BJP says that it's an insult to Sanatan Dharma. Listen in to what the BJP has to say.
Congress has gone bankrupt after their manifesto. Now they are harping on the issues of Sanatan, comparing Sri Krishna, the Lord Sri Krishna, to the small rapist or the big rapist. Is this the way they want to demean the Sanatan Dharma? Is this the way Congress wants to garner the votes of the country and of the state and of the constituencies by demeaning Sanatan gods? What he preaches in Bhagavad Gita, if Congress doesn't understand, let them study thoroughly, especially the Congress ministers in Karnataka.
All right, Neha Bale, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast. Neha, on one hand, of course, the probe in Prajwal Revanna's case is escalating, and on the other, of course, we have the politics, which has literally overshadowed everything, especially this remark where Revanna has been compared to Lord Krishna, deplorable to say the least. Obviously, it's given ammunition to the BJP, which is already attacking the Congress, saying it's an insult to Sanatan Dharma.
Well, that's right. In fact, a very shocking statement there that was made by R.B. Timmapur, wherein he equated Prajwal Revanna to Lord Krishna. And now, of course, we're seeing that the BJP that was on the back foot with the whole Prajwal Revanna case has now again, stepped up the attack against the Congress party here, questioning how someone who's, considered a criminal here could be compared with Lord Krishna. We were, of course, seeing that, the BJP, they're also going on to say that it is, in fact, a big insult here to the Sanatan Dharma. But like you rightly pointed out, of course, the fact of the matter is that the attention which was supposed to be on Prajwal Revanna, on whether these videos were genuine, has now largely shifted to the political circles, wherein we're seeing that, statements are just being made left, right and centre. It's rather unfortunate that, R.B. Timmapur there, while making that statement, hasn't even for a second, considered possibly the plight of these victims there who've come forward and filed a complaint against Prajwal Revanna. Utter disregard, of course, to this entire seriousness of this entire case. It is quite unfortunate.
Well, absolutely. And as far as the BJP is concerned, it's not losing an opportunity to hit out at the Congress party. But Neha, has there been any reaction coming from a top leader of the Congress party, perhaps? What does the Congress have to say about these remarks? Are they trying to distance from these remarks, or are they defending it? What's happening there?
Well, of course, so far we've not really heard from the Congress party on this and on whether, of course, they are really going to be distancing themselves from this, whether R.B. Timmapur made these statements on a lighter note. All of that, of course, hasn't been ascertained at this point, but we'll really have to wait and see. How unfortunate as it is, the politics around this entire issue, diverting the focus of this entire case, whether this is something that's going to prevail like this, whether the politics, of course, is going to take center stage, still remains to be seen.
Well, absolutely. And, Neha, as far as the BJP is concerned, they're already saying it's a vile attack on the Hindu sentiments. They're saying it's Hindu gods who have been insulted. In fact, talking a little bit about the probe as well, because we are trying to get many other political reactions on this Krishna comparison specifically. But meanwhile, Neha, take us through what's the latest as far as the probe in the case is concerned.
Well, yes, of course, as far as the probe is concerned, we have been waiting outside the CID office in Bengaluru. We're picking up now, of course, a couple of things. First, as far as H.D. Revanna is concerned, we're picking up that he's likely to appear before the SIT today at the CID office and record his statement, answer the questions that are asked to him.
So there is no relief. SIT has disagreed to oblige to Revanna's plea. Neha, stay with us because talking